So this is the Bedhead Curl Wand that I absolutely love. I've been using this product for years. I have used many different hot tools over the years to curl, and this one is definitely my all-time favorite. It is so easy, so quick. For whatever reason, my hair holds the best curl with this. If I use a regular curling iron, my hair just falls flat. I have relatively fine hair, which I know a lot of people struggle with, but 10/10 recommend this product. And I'm just going to go through it quickly and I'll show you how it works. So my hair is clean. Always section. A lot of people skip this part. I usually do 1 inch to 2 inch sections, but typically I can have my whole head done within 10-15 minutes. It does come with a glove as well. There's only 3 buttons on the front: power and temperature. I'm usually around 360 to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm just gonna zip through the rest. And just like that, I'm done. I let it cool and set for a little bit before I comb it out a little, but you don't have to. It depends on how much curl you want. You can leave it. I like to give it a little bit more of a natural look. I'll comb it out. That's it. Sometimes I'll hit it with a little hairspray at the end, but typically I don't need to. So if you're looking for an easy hot tool to curl your hair, I would definitely recommend this Bedhead Curl Wand. Trying to master a salon style blowout at home. And this is a tool I've been using. So I've been using this heated round brush from Wavytalk for a couple months now, and I have to say this has got to be one of the best hot tools I've ever purchased for a nice looking blowout. All right, I just blow dried my hair, so it does need to be dry. So I'll start with, my hair's pretty fine. It's not super thick, but it's not super thin. So I'll start with, I don't know, like a 2 inch section. So I'll usually start at the root because that's like where it gets the most frizzy. So I'll go once, I'll go on the bottom. If you elevate it more, you'll get more volume out of your blowout, but I don't want a crazy amount of volume. And I preferred like the flipped out look because my hair always just flips out anyway. You know, I did read as well, like there's been other products that gets like your hair gets caught really easily, and I have super minimal experience with that. Like sometimes it'll like snag 1 or 2, but definitely nothing crazy. I can usually get through my whole hair like within 10 minutes and then just kind of fine tune it at the end. I'm gonna speed the rest of my hair up and I'll let you guys see the ending. All right, I wanted to see my last section here. This is great if you have curtain bangs. Mine are pretty grown out, but it makes it so easy to style. I just want to flip these back a little bit. Go slow here. Get a nice swoop. Boom. Look how nice that is. Yeah, that's great. Okay. All right. It's my finishing touch.